So here's a good example of somebody hogging the middle lane and just causing chaos in pretty poor road conditions anyway. So yeah, as you can see, the yellow Nissan Juke just has no intention of moving over to the inside lane and is forcing lorries down the inside. So next one is a Mercedes overtaking a car with a trailer, and again has no intention of moving over to the left hand lane, not gaining on any vehicles in front, so just forcing everyone to go around in the outside lane. So we've got a van hogging the middle lane in this next clip, and ideally he'd just move over, even if it's for sort of 20 seconds. He gets a little bit closer to that truck you can see, or the other car in the middle lane, just so I can move over and let faster traffic move past. Bear in mind I am doing 70 miles an hour in this video.